Good morning. The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Tanisha Yancey is now presiding. At this time, there will be no talking, no smoking, no chewing gum, no eating or drinking, no sleeping or laying down, no driving or riding in a moving vehicle. Please keep your device on mute until you are addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a level surface so that your face may be seen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Good morning. I am Judge Tanisha Yancey. I will be calling the first matter, People versus Atron Williams, ticket number 1362658. Please state your appearances for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tim Malafite, P72339, on behalf of Atron Williams. Mr. Williams, please state your name for the record.
Atron Williams.
Thank you so much. Your Honor, at this time, we would waive the formal reading, stand mute, ask for a pretrial date.
Pretrial date, March 15th, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. Bond will be set at $0.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Williams is
23 at 8:30 a.m. Same Zoom room. Okay, Mr. Williams?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You have a blessed one too.
Your Honor, if you give me a moment, I'm going to be able to, I should be able to take care of all of the officers that I do see present. I do have offers, so we should be able to release them momentarily. I just need to briefly speak to Ms. Jansen, and then I will be back and we can call those.
Okay, thank you.
If the court wants to know, Judge, that will be on Wallington, will be the first one that is a plea on an OWVI.
Okay, thank you.
All right, Ms. Jansen, can we go to, I guess, room 2? Crystal, are you there? Okay. Judge, I'm not getting a response from Ms. Jansen, so I'm going to go and pull out the individual that I just spoke to. That's be Broderick Wallington. I'm going to get him out right now.
You're still in the main room, though.
I understand. Yes, Your Honor. I'm going to get Broderick Wallington. I'm saying Ms. Jansen isn't responding, so I'm going to go and I'm going to grab this so that we can get one of the officers out.
Okay, and I'm gonna call the case on Bachman's case before yours.
Yes, Your Honor.
You want to try to find Jansen.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Bachman, you ready to proceed? Attorney Bachman, are you there? I don't know that well, you were on audio, but it's saying for you to click to join audio now, Bachman, if you can hear me.
Hello, Your Honor.
Okay, Bachman, we're ready to proceed. Are you ready to proceed on Carlton Williams?
I am ready, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay. On the matter of People versus Carlton Conrad Williams Jr., case number 05315221. Please state your appearances for the record.
May it please the court, Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant. Mr. Williams, state your name for the record.
I'm sorry, Mr. Baughman, I did not bring him out of the waiting room.
Okay.
He did bring him. He did have 12. Yeah. No. There. Mr. Carlton Williams, can you, okay, I see you now. All right, now calling the People versus Carlton Conrad Williams Jr., ticket number 05315221. Please state your appearance for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Baughman for the defendant. Would you state your full name for the record, Mr. Williams?
Carlton Conrad Williams Jr.
Thank you. Judge, Mr. Williams,
I'm
is
sorry,
here
Mr.
continuing
Baughman,
that?
before, just to correct the record, it's also ticket number D786171 in addition to the one that was called.
That's correct. Judge, both of these matters are set for trial without a complaining witness. We're asking the court to consider a motion here to dismiss the instant cases without prejudice.
Okay, the court takes note that it is now 9:59 a.m. We do not have an officer who have checked in on this case, so therefore the court will dismiss this case.
Thank you kindly, Your Honor. Mr. Williams,
Yes, sir. Excuse me?
I'll be in touch. We'll call you
Okay.
after court
Thank
today. Thank you.
All right.
Have a good day, everybody. Bye.
Mm-hmm.
That message was meant for somebody else. Brittany said she was telling them that. She just.
And Your Honor, when the court is ready, we're ready on Broderick Wallington.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Broderick Devontae Wallington, ticket number Z808616, ticket number P1072156, and ticket number SP1240075. Please state your appearance for the record.
Good morning once again, Your Honor. Tim Malafide, P72339, on behalf of Mr. Wallington. Mr. Wallington, please state your name for the record.
Broderick Devontae Wallington.
And then Officer Maloof, if you want to place your name on the record.
Officer Joe Maloof, Detroit Police Department.
Thank you, sir. Your Honor, there have been recommendations put forth. We'd like to take advantage of those recommendations, specifically as to the original count of operating while intoxicated. That would be reduced down to an operating while visibly impaired, the other count being dismissed. Mr. Wallington, is that your understanding?
Yes, sir.
And that's what you wish to do?
Yes.
Ready to proceed if the court is.
Okay, is it Mr. Wallington? Have you had an opportunity to talk to your attorney and understand what your rights are today?
Yes.
Okay, raise your right hand. Do you promise or affirm, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, and you understood your rights, you understood the rights that your counsel gave you today?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. And do you understand that you have a right to trial and you're waiving any of those rights if you accept this plea?
Yes.
Are you taking this plea on your own free will?
Yes.
And are you taking this plea because you're guilty?
Yes.
Okay. So directing your attention to all right, directing your attention to December 19th, 2021, were you driving or in the vehicle at or around Atwater and Brevard Street?
Yes.
And would you say that you had a little to drink that day where you're out, where you were impaired, your vision or your driving was impaired on that day?
Yes.
Counsel, are you satisfied?
I think I'm satisfied. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so the court will enter a guilty plea of operating while physically impaired. There will be a $240 fee.
Your Honor. I apologize for interrupting the court. Do we want to do that today or on the actual sentencing date? Is he going to come back to be sentenced?
You're right, yes, that's for sentencing. We have a sentencing date. March 3rd, 2023 at 9 a.m.
Say, get that date.
March 3rd, 2023 at 9 a.m. In the meantime, I need you to call probation, the Department of Probation. I said it. Give me one moment. Will you contact the Department of Probation, Mr. Wallington, at 313-965-3414? Prior to that, the sentencing day of March 3rd.
Okay.
Okay. Any further matters, counsel?
Not for Mr. Wallington, no, Your Honor, and thank you.
Thank you. This matter is concluded.
I have one.
Have a good one, Mr. Wallington.
What was your question, sir?
Yeah. So I what about the other two tickets? Like I
They
have.
were dismissed, sir.
All right. All right. That's it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Have a good
Thank you,
one.
Officer Maloof.
Yes, thank you. Have a good day.
And Your Honor, I will, in just a moment here, I can take care of the things that belong to Corporal Good and Corporal Randolph. I just need to confirm something real quick with Ms. Jansen.
Okay, go ahead.
Thank you.
Officers Randolph and Good, if you could please rejoin me in room 1, I'd appreciate it. Thank you.
Your Honor, I have Mr. Washington. And we should be ready to proceed on that matter. I do believe that perhaps Ms. Jansen may need to confirm just so that the court is aware of what the actual offer is. I know what it is, but that way you'll have it on the record.
Counsel, we're just checking to see what if we received the offer from Attorney Jansen.
Chances are you didn't, Judge, just because she literally just got off the phone with me. So she might be, she's here, so she can confirm it.
Okay. Attorney Jansen, are you sending over the offer for Washington?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. I have Judge Taylor's email address, but I don't have yours. Could I?
No, you can send it to Judge Taylor's. I'm not.
Oh, okay.
I'm logged into hers.
Okay, great. I'm going to send it to all parties.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Attorney Jansen, you don't have to send it there today. I'm just giving it to you for future references. I put my email in the chat.
Okay, sounds good. I'm just typing this up, but I am ready to go on the record. I will send you a written record of it concurrently.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Now calling the People versus Timothy Christopher Washington. Ticket number P1284251. Ticket number P1284250. Ticket number SP138-43141. Ticket number SP138-42971. Ticket number SP138-42972. Attorneys, please make your appearances for the record.
Crystal Jansen for the City of Detroit, P81280. Thank you.
Tim Malafite on behalf of Mr. Washington. Mr. Washington, please state your name for the record.
Timothy Christopher Washington.
Thank you, Mr. Washington. Judge, I do believe we have both of the officers present, Corporals Good and Randolph. Gentlemen, if you wish to place your names on the record.
Corporal Curtis Good, badge number 4866, Detroit Police Department.
Corporal Randy Randolph, badge 1235, Detroit Police Department.
Correct.
Your Honor, there have been recommendations put forth in these matters. We'd like to take advantage of those recommendations. Specifically, Mr. Washington will be pleading to one amended count of case ending in 2971. That is the failure to stop at a stop sign. That will be reduced to an impeding traffic. Judge, we would stipulate to the face of the ticket in that matter. All other matters are being dismissed for proper documentation at this time.
And I apologize, I had a little bit of hard time hearing you. All others will be dismissed based on valid documentation?
That's accurate, yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and the 971 will be reduced to impeding?
That's accurate, yes.
Okay, the court will enter a guilty plea for impeding That fee would be $175. Mr. Washington, can you be still? Are you able to afford the 175 within the next 2 weeks?
Yes, ma'am. I get paid every 2 weeks, so I think that'll be the 3rd,
You get paid on the 3rd?
if I'm not
Well,
mistaken, 2 weeks from now.
I'm gonna set it for February 20th. Is that good? So that you can make sure that you get another check in between?
Yep.
Make sure you
That
pay
would
the
be awesome.
175 by February 20th, 2023.
Awesome.
All right, that is all that concludes this matter.
Okay.
Thank you, officers.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Your Honor,
Yes.
there are a few matters here I need to briefly speak to my clients on, and I don't know, Judge, if you have the ability to take us off of YouTube. I did have something I wanted to quickly ask the court, if I could offline.